Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best cameras for 2025. As technology advances rapidly, the tools we use to capture our world are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Today, we're setting the stage for groundbreaking advancements in camera technology. Whether you're a seasoned photographer, a videography enthusiast, or a tech aficionado, understanding these innovations is crucial. In 2025, choosing the right camera is more important than ever, as each model offers unique features that can significantly impact your creative journey. We'll explore the cutting-edge features and innovations that define this year's top cameras, helping you make informed choices. So, buckle up as we dive into a world where technology meets creativity and discover the cameras that will shape the future of photography and videography. From improved sensor sizes to enhanced autofocus systems, this year promises to redefine what we can achieve with a camera in hand. Stay tuned as we unravel the best options that cater to diverse needs, ensuring you have the perfect tool to capture your vision. Let's embark on this exciting journey into the future of cameras. As we dive into the camera landscape of 2025, innovation is clearly at the forefront. Canon, Nikon, and Sony have each unveiled impressive lineups, with over 20 new models hitting the market. These releases are not just incremental updates, they represent significant leaps in technology. Let's begin with autofocus. This year, manufacturers have pushed the boundaries of what autofocus systems can do. With advancements in AI and machine learning, these systems can now predict subject movement with remarkable accuracy, ensuring you capture every critical moment with precision. Video capabilities have also seen substantial upgrades. The latest models offer enhanced video recording features that cater to both amateur and professional filmmakers. Expect to see cameras equipped with 8K resolution, improved stabilization, and dynamic range that rivals some of the best cinema cameras available. Moreover, the integration of new sensor technologies has resulted in better low-light performance and color accuracy. In summary, the 2025 camera releases from Canon, Nikon, and Sony have set a new standard in the industry. With cutting-edge autofocus and video capabilities, these cameras are designed to meet the diverse needs of today's content creators. When choosing the perfect camera, understanding key factors is essential. First and foremost, sensor size plays a pivotal role. A larger sensor captures more light, translating into superior image quality and better performance in low-light conditions. If you're aiming for professional-grade photos or videos, considering a full-frame sensor might be worthwhile, although it does come at a premium. Next, let's talk about autofocus speed. In the fast-paced world of photography and videography, capturing that perfect moment often depends on how quickly your camera can focus. Modern cameras are equipped with advanced autofocus systems, some even incorporating AI technology, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and clear. Finally, lens options can significantly impact your creative possibilities. A camera body with a wide range of compatible lenses allows you to adapt. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, intimate portraits, or intricate macro shots, having the right lens can make all the difference. Each of these elements, sensor size, autofocus speed, and lens versatility, are crucial in determining how well a camera will meet your specific needs. By understanding these factors, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your photography or videography goals. So, as you embark on your journey to find the perfect camera, remember to weigh these aspects carefully, ensuring that your choice enhances your creative vision and technical requirements. When capturing the perfect shot, sensor size is a game changer. Larger sensors, like full-frame ones, are renowned for their ability to produce superior image quality. This is because they can capture more light, which translates to better detail, richer colors, and improved performance in low-light conditions. However, these benefits come with a higher price tag. Let's delve into the differences between full-frame sensors and their smaller counterparts. Full-frame sensors are the gold standard, offering the highest quality images, especially for professionals who demand the best. They provide a wider field of view, particularly advantageous for landscape photography and wide-angle shots. But if you're not ready to invest in a full-frame camera, there are other options to consider. APS-C sensors, for instance, are a popular choice among enthusiasts and semi-professionals. While smaller than full frame, they still offer excellent image quality and are more budget-friendly. These sensors are great for those who want a balance between performance and cost. Then there are micro Four Thirds sensors, which are even smaller. Understanding these differences is crucial when choosing a camera that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast-paced action, or intimate portraits, the sensor size will impact your results. So, take the time to consider what you prioritize in your photography or videography journey. By doing so, you'll ensure that your choice of camera will not only meet your expectations, but elevate your creative expression to new heights. In the world of photography and videography, autofocus is a game changer. As we look at the advancements in camera technology for 2025, autofocus systems have taken a significant leap forward. Today's cameras are equipped with sophisticated autofocus systems that incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities, allowing them to track subjects with remarkable precision. This means whether you're capturing a fast-paced sports event or a serene landscape, your images will be sharp and your videos smooth. Autofocus is not just a feature, it's a necessity for both amateur and professional photographers. It enhances the ability to capture moments as they unfold. Modern autofocus systems are designed to handle complex scenarios, from low-light environments to fast-moving subjects. They are equipped with phase detection and contrast detection technologies, which work together to provide accurate and quick focusing. The importance of autofocus cannot be overstated. It transforms the way we capture and create, offering a level of convenience and precision that was once unattainable. As camera technology continues to evolve, autofocus systems will undoubtedly become even more advanced, making them a pivotal element in the world of photography and videography. Understanding and utilizing these advancements in autofocus technology will enhance your creative journey and help you achieve stunning results. As we delve into the video recording capabilities that define the best cameras of 2025, it's essential to understand the intricate elements that contribute to superior video quality. For video enthusiasts and professionals alike, factors such as pixel binning, sensor speed, and battery life are not just technical jargon. They are the backbone of creating stunning visual narratives. Pixel binning, for instance, enhances image quality by combining multiple pixels into one, which is particularly beneficial in low-light conditions. Equally important is the sensor speed, which determines how quickly a camera can process images. A faster sensor speed means smoother video playback and the ability to capture high-resolution video without lag. Battery life is another critical consideration. Long recording sessions demand a reliable power source, and modern cameras are rising to the challenge with extended battery life, allowing creators to focus on their craft without constant interruptions. Beyond these technical specifications, the handling and features of a camera play a significant role in the videography experience. In 2025, the best cameras are those that seamlessly blend advanced technology with user-friendly features, catering to the diverse needs of videographers. Whether you're shooting a documentary, a short film, or capturing everyday moments, understanding these key elements will empower you to make informed decisions and elevate your video production to new heights. As we reach the conclusion of our comprehensive guide, it's time to reveal the top camera picks for 2025. With rapid advancements in technology, choosing the right camera can be daunting. But fear not, as we've meticulously sifted through the latest offerings to bring you the best of the best, tailored to a variety of needs and preferences. For those who favor versatility and cutting-edge features, mirrorless cameras stand out as a top choice. Leading the pack is the Sony Alpha A7R V, renowned for its exceptional resolution and dynamic range, making it perfect for both professional photographers and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled image quality. Its advanced autofocus system ensures that you won't miss a moment, even in fast-paced environments. If you're an adventurer at heart, craving a camera that can keep up with your dynamic lifestyle, look no further than the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This action camera is designed to withstand the elements, offering robust durability alongside stunning 5.3K video capabilities. Whether you're diving into the ocean depths or scaling mountain peaks, the Hero 11 captures every detail with precision and clarity. For those who prefer compact convenience without sacrificing performance, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV is a stellar option. This compact camera offers remarkable image quality and excellent low-light performance, all within a pocket-sized body. It's ideal for vloggers and travelers who need a camera that's both powerful and portable. Each of these cameras excels in its category, providing unique features that cater to different types of users. Whether you're a professional looking to expand your toolkit, an adventurer documenting your journeys, or someone who simply wants to capture life's moments with ease, there's a perfect camera waiting for you in 2025. As we wrap up this guide, remember that the best camera is the one that fits your specific needs and style. We hope this overview has provided you with the insights needed to make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the best cameras for 2025. We hope you find the perfect companion to capture your world in stunning detail.